Today we're going to learn about using the Assistance System Stalk in a new Macan Electric. The first thing we're going to talk about is how to turn on and off your cruise control options. You can do so by the button here on the end of the stalk. You push the button in and it will bring up the menu, and each button push after that will go down the menu and it will just restart at the top. You have adaptive cruise control or InnoDrive, depending on how you have it optioned. You have speed limiter, which will limit you to a certain speed. You have hill control, which is mainly used for steep inclines, and then of course, off. You can also adjust these settings by going to car and then assistance and then mode. You can see here the same offering that you will get by tapping the button on the end of the Assistance System stalk here, and you can also change these as well. Okay, when we touch the button on the end of the steering wheel, you'll notice additional adjustments here: speed limit, route, and lane keeping. So speed limit will actually use the camera in the mirror to look at the speed limit sign and adjust the speed limit automatically. Also, you have route. If you have a destination set, it will look at the curvature of the road, the topography, and adjust your speed accordingly. And then finally is lane keeping, and that will actively try to keep your Macan Electric in the center of the lane. Now with adaptive cruise control and the limiter, if you turn off the speed limit, the only speed limit it will recognize is the one that you've set with the Assistance System stalk. Some other adjustments that you can have are the distance. Now the distance, which is this little rocker switch on the front of the Assistance System stalk, controls the distance you are away from the car in front of you. You can push forward and it basically will push that car away from you. So you can have the vehicle in front of you very far away or very close to you, depending on your driving preference. On the bottom, you have Lane Keep Assist. You can turn that on and off by pressing and holding, and it will turn Lane Keep Assist off. And you can turn it back on by touching the button, and you can see that here in the instrument cluster that it is back on. Also, the movement of the Assistance System stalk is a little different than our previous Porsche models. You will pull down to set the speed limit, or you can push up to increase the speed limit, push up and hold to do 5-mile-an-hour increments. You can pull down also to decrease by 1 mile an hour, or you can pull down and hold to decrease by 5-mile-an-hour increments. To resume your cruise control, you pull towards you, and to cancel, you push away on the Assistance System stalk. You can now use your Assistance System stalk in your new Macan Electric.